How to get state medical insurance. The steep increase in the value of medication has made health insurance a necessity. The actual rate of your health insurance quotes will depend on the current state of your health and those activities you involve yourself in, like smoking, drinking, and the kind of food you eat. Isn't that good enough reason to cut back on or completely stop such risky lifestyles? The cost of health policy is dependent on your state and place of residence within the state. For example, living in the more rural area of Illinois will attract lesser charges than living in the heart of Chicago itself. This is mainly because the cost of medication is actually varying in the locality you live in. To make your health coverage affordable, you can take up a copay health policy. A copay health policy means that you will have to pick up a substantial portion of your medical bills yourself. Before signing up for a copay health policy, be sure that you know what you are doing. Raising your deductibles will mean less money on premium and more out-of-pocket payment. This can be benefiting if you can have monthly contribution on your own as healthcare savings. If you save up for your deductibles, it will mean you can have it when you need it, and if you don't eventually use it, the money is still yours. Remember that you have to consider your schedules before signing up for a policy. If you are a person that travels a lot, you will need a policy that allows you to take treatment from any doctor and not the type that restricts you to a particular network of doctors. This may mean you'll have to pay and receive reimbursement on your medical bills. While looking for a health insurance policy, bear in mind that your age will determine the rate at which you get a particular policy. Older people are more susceptible to illness than younger people, so it is possible to have an older person pay more for the same coverage or policy enjoyed by a younger individual. If you are a good saver, you can cut off health insurance by saving up for health issues on your own. If you have a regular contribution to a particular bank, you can receive loans to offset medical bills that are outside your savings. This way you know you are covered, and at the same time you are not paying exorbitantly for a service you may not even use. Remember, this will only work for you if you are a good saver. The traditional type of health insurance is more benefiting compared to the health savings account type when it comes to the first dollar basis. This is the kind of benefit received without having to meet any deductibles. It may include annual specialist visits, etc.